Good morning, students. Welcome back. Okay, our class is 8th. Our class 8th. Our subject social studies. Okay, beta. And today, in the previous class, which lesson we can topic? Which lesson? We are discussing about the polar region. Polar region. Yes, you know about the polar region. Yes, in the before we are knowing about the in the previous class means we discussed about the polar regions. Yes, what is meant by polar region? We can having North Pole to South Pole. North Pole to South Pole. Suppose we having the globe. North Pole to South Pole is called as a globe on the. When the North Pole to South Pole is formed on the globe is called as a polar region. And the next, when the line is near to the pole is called polar region. When the near to pole is called as a polar region, and we can discuss. And the next about the thunder. What is meant by thunder? We can discuss about thunder now. What is meant by thunder? The thunder means it is a very cold. It is having a very cold. And in the thunder we are talking about the seasons of thunder. Seasons of thunder also we are talking. And today we are knowing about the peoples of thunder region ecomas. Yes, the people. Okay, before class we are knowing about the thunder we have discussed, and seasons also. In the seasons thunder also we are discussed, and how the peoples are there in the thunder we can discuss. The peoples of thunder region. In the polar region means it is very cold now. In the thunder also it is also very cold. In that we can knowing about the peoples, how the peoples were the living. When the peoples were the living we have discussed. Ecomas. The peoples were living in the thunder region ecomas. See, but we can see now in the Arctic Circle. When we are knowing about the Arctic Circle, they are having the treeless land, ice is anywhere it will be having. But in we are talking about the Arctic Circle. In the Arctic Circle they are having the trees and some of the treeless. Totally it will be fall the snow only. They are having the some of the trees will be having in there. Suppose in anywhere we can see the compulsory trees will be having. In this the Arctic Circle there was in the thunder, it will be total ice only. Totally on the land it will be having ice and the snow. It will be having ice and snow only. And they are having the some only trees plants will be having. And we can see in the Arctic Circle, where we are seeing beta Arctic region. We can see the Arctic region. See, but in this they are having the harsh and the cold, and harsh and the cold there will be having. Harsh and the cold there will be having. And moreover they will be having the ecomas. Ecomas means they are the people's name. Ecomas. This is where the thunder people's name. And they lived in the scattered in the Greenland and Canada. They are be settled in a Greenland and Canada. And Akalas and Siberia means they are the three countries names. But Greenland, okay, Greenland and Canada. Okay, and Atlas and Siberia. There were the four countries were be settled there. They was for thousands of years, not a 1 year, 2 years. They are the thousands of years. The peoples were be settled in the ecomas. And the next, we are isolated from the people. How the people they are be doing? Means they are the peoples doing hunting and fishing. Hunting and fishing. Then what they are doing in their work? Hunting and fishing. Why they are doing the hunting and the fishing? There was a totally ice. How they are catching the fishes? How they are hunting the animals? Let's we know. They are having the developed way of life to suited to homeland. For the homeland means they are having the in the Iceland only they are having the home. They are be settled. They are be settled means they had to be hunting and fishing for the homeland. And the ecomas traditional way life to develop meet a challenges of far north. They had to be given a one challenge to the far north peoples. What they given? Which challenge they are given? Let's we know. The sections that the way of life which ecomas followed until and recently. Before they are be having to challenge and now also becoming as a challenge. Until and recently. Until and recently they are be challenged to the north. The mostly common except meaning of ecomas. Ecomas meaning what beta? It is a commonly we can know. Snow show nectar. Show snow nectar. Snow show nectar. Why it is the show no snow and show nectar? Become there will be totally there is a Iceland now. The people, the ecomas peoples, they are living in the totally in the ice only. No, they are living on the ice only. That's why they are called as a snow show nectar. It is the name. And in this also ecomas they are having the languages. They are having the languages. In that language, two types of languages will be having. Two types of language. That is a Inupiaq and Yupik. Okay, they are having the Inuit and Yupik. Yupik. This is the two languages of ecomas. They are having the two languages. And let's we know they are having the language meaning. What is the language meaning? And their peoples are the real peoples. These ecomas peoples are the real peoples. They are having the language meaning. It is a language. Ecomas is there, no, the peoples. And they are having the two types of languages. In the two types of languages, what they? Inupiaq and Yupik. Inupiaq and Yupik is the two languages. In the two languages, what is the meaning of that language? The meaning of language is what? The peoples are the real people. The peoples are the real peoples. Who? Which peoples? That is the ecomas peoples are the real people. And let's we know. And the ecomas descended Siberia, now the part of Russia in a northern sea. It will be where will be having better? In northern sea. It is a northern sea it will be having. And moreover, ecomas language have been spoken from thousands of years. This language is from the thousands of years ago only. It will be there. Which language? Whose language? It is the ecomas language. And the next, but they were not written down until modern time. But they are having been thousands of years. The language will be there. But in the modern time, they will be not written in that time. In the modern time, this language. And the next, there are the three main language. In the two languages we are know. Again, in modern time, the before thousands of years they are having the language. Now the modern time language they are having the how many? 3. Here 2, now 3. The 3 what we know better. See, there are the 3 languages. Inupiaq and the next it is a Yupik and Inupiaq. Yupik and Inupiaq. Here Inuit, Yupik, and Aleut, Yupik and Inupiaq. These are three languages. And for you in examination, he will give the 2 marks question. What are the language of e-commerce? What are the language of e-commerce? Again he will write how many types of the languages of e-commerce he will ask. You what you will write? There are 3 types of languages. They have 3 types of languages. What is Aleut and Yupik and Inupiaq? You had to write it. And the next. The e-commerce first entered into the Northern America. Yes, e-commerce is the first entered into Northern America. And the next, in 5,000 years ago, how many years beta? When e-commerce entered into Northern America. And which year? How many years? 5,000 years. 5,000 years ago. They are crossing the Bering Strait from Asia. And the next, today the e-commerce population is not large. The population is not having the more large. And the next, now but is the now e-commerce population now it will be growing. And let's we know about the group life. Group life. How the peoples they are having the group life. The peoples, how the peoples are the lived in the Iceland. The e-commerce people. And the e-commerce living in the fair small group. They are having the small group. They are having the villages people. 500 peoples they were living. 500 peoples they were living. And that northern Achilles coast. They are having the northern which beta? Achilles coast. Achilles coast. A typical group might having the 25 to 45 mites. They are having the 25 to 45 peoples. There were the 25 to 45 peoples. Their eastern group move from to one place to another place from the throughout the year. When they are having totally 500 peoples they will be having. They are settled in the northern side. And some were peoples are 25 to 45 peoples they are settled into the southern, where my eastern coast places they are changing into one place to another place throughout the year. When the year only they are changing into one place to another place. And the next, they have fixed order seasonally activity. They have fixed seasonally activity. Seasonally means when the season wise, in 1 yearly season wise will be having no. We are discussing about the seasonal thunder. There is the winter season is a very cool now. That time here also same in the seasonal wise only they are changing the places. Not only all total the year, but season wise only they are changing into one place to another place from the throughout the year. And the next, they are spending in the winter near the coast. They are spending in the winter near the coast. Why they are spending in the near the coast? Means they are doing the hunting and fishing. They are doing hunting and fishing. And the next, they are having in the summer season, they move the land. Then in the summer season, it be move the land. To hunt a caribous. Caribous means like a deer it will be having, but it is one animal. Caribou means it is a animal. It is a animal name. It is a animal name. Don't think it is any word. It is an animal only. Okay, it is a animal name. And the next, gather berries sometimes. They cover a circuit about the 1,100 kilometers. How much far beta? 1,100 kilometers. 1,100 kilometers. And the next, they cross snow and ice ledges. Snow and ice ledges. Ice ledges means what? See, pulled by the dog. Ice ledges means they are having a like a big sticks will be having no. When you went, anybody went to ice? So they are standing upside down. It will be having the flat. While you standing, no, it will be moving. For moving, you have to catch the two hands. You have to two hands. You catch the one sticks like for the move to another place. And they are pulled the dogs. Our dogs are different in the ice, in the thunder. Polar region dogs will be different in the ice. They are be pulled to one place to another place. And they travel on the water is open boat called as a Eumencus. It called as a Eumencus. And how the water will be melted in the summer season, the ice will be having no. It will be slowly, it will be melted. Melted means how they will be travel to one place to another place. Means they have taken a boats. They have to take the using the boats. And having the large replaced sledged and kayaks. And the next, close cooperation is important if the members of ECOMAS you are the Harshan land. They are having the so much land in the ECOMAS. The group members would work together activities for the when the it is a topic is the group life. The group members, when the peoples are the group members, they will be at a time they sitting one place and they do the hunting and fishing to do the at a time. And there had be eastern group 10 to 11 hunters would be do Harappan. Harappans mean 10 or 12 peoples were sitting one there and they do the hunting with the Harappan. Harappan means it is a one weapon. It is a one weapon. It is a one weapon. What is that weapon name? Puli. It is a one weapon. It is a weapon beta. Okay, I'll show in your book how it will be having. Once you observe in your book, textbook, what is a weapon, it is there. Okay, and the next in your I'll show beta. This is a weapon. Okay, while they are catching and doing the hunting, it is a one weapon. And the next here, these are the ECOMAS peoples. How they are dressing. How is this once you observe it. Okay, and the next, and these seals they are breathing holes in the winter. In the winter season totally it will be having the ice snow. What they will do, the ECOMAS peoples, they do have a holes like in the holes they will do the totally one place they will do the one holes like in that they will catch the fishes. In that holes only they will catch the fishes. And the much large group of over 100 peoples would work together hunt carnivore large sea mammals and such having as a whales. Already I said no, carnivores and seals and mammals. Hundreds of the peoples will be doing the hunting. And the next, some activities carried out individually, small group of attracting the bears and fishing net and gathering bears. See, but this is the carnivore. This is one animal. Already I said no. It is not a anything. It is a animal. Okay, it is a one animal. And the next, hunting and fishing. You are knowing about the hunting and fishing. Hunting and fishing. Already we know about, we are already talking about ECOMAS people, how their homeland to do means they are doing the hunting and fishing, and where the hundreds of peoples are gather and they are doing the catching the fishes and hunting. Now we knowing about the hunting and fish because they are depend upon on the hunting and fishing. They not know where to go now. They are only depend upon on the hunting and fishing only. And see, but ECOMAS highly killed of these activities. Corobus, carnivores means these types of animals they will be hunting and catching the fishers. And moreover, nearly all e-commerce group, they are hunting island during summer every anatomy. When they are in summer during the anatomy, that time they are more catching the carnivores animals. And the next, in some of places caribou driven from the row of people into the lake. These types of animals is driving. Like dogs will be there, no? Same as it is as a carnivorous animal also, it will be driving on the land, driving on the land. And some of the snow and stream were the spreading short blows and arrows. That happened sometime e-commerce set piles of stones in a long time. Means totally in the land it will be having total water, means how they are be travel now. They are adding the one stones, like big stones are adding, and they traveling to the one place to another place. And the next, the caribou run away from the limestone to be a catch. Limestone means they have to be having the stones to catch. And for some time group fishing is a important hunting. They are the group fishing is the important and hunting. Okay, and how the in the group hunting and the fishing, how the peoples, how they are catching the more meat and fishers hunting. Okay, that is the tomorrow we can discuss how they will be catching the fishers in the group peoples or another peoples they are doing the fishing. Let's we see in the tomorrow topic. Okay, today we have to complete our half of the lesson, and better you had to do the one thing for your homework. Compulsory you had to read the lesson compulsory you had to read, and which word is for your hard word, keep the underlined word and write it in your book. Every time I will say compulsory you read the lesson. Okay, thank you.